Welcome back once again, dear children. Today we are discussing Class 9 CBSE Maths Ganitha Manjari, Chapter 7, Introduction to Probability, Exercise number 7.2, Question number 2. A survey is conducted at a school where a random sample of 40 students is asked about their favorite club. The responses are 14 students Science Club, 11 students Arts Club, 9 students Sports Club, and 6 students Debate Club. Assume that there are 800 students in the whole school. What is the probability that a randomly chosen student from the sample prefers Arts Club? Using the sample results, estimate how many students in the whole school are likely to prefer Sports Club. This is same as the first question. First, we need to identify the sample values. This will helps the problem solve very easy. From the given data, total number of students in the sample, that is 40. Students preferring Arts Club, that is N of Arts, that is given as 11. Now, students preferring Sports Club, that is given as 9. Total number of students in the school is 800. These are the given data which we need to solve the problem. Now the first question, find the probability of randomly chosen student from the Arts Club. So probability of Arts Club student, which is equal to number of students in Arts Club divided by total number of students. That's equal to 11 by 40. Now we need to find the estimated total school sports students. For that, we need to find the probability of sports students. That's equal to total number of students in sports club divided by total number of students in the sample space. That's equal to 9 by 40. Hence, estimated sports students probability. Sports students, which is equal to the probability of sports student into the total number of students in the school. That's equal to 9 by 40 into 800. That's equal to 9 into 20. That's equal to 180. So total number of estimated students from the sports club in the school is 180 students. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.